Hi guys, this is going to be lessons 112 and 113, and the page numbers are 227, 228, 229, and 230. Okay, for this one we are looking at equal sets, multiplication again, but equal sets. So how many sets do I have here? I have three rectangles, and how many cupcakes are in each? Two. Good. So three sets of two. So 3 times 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 times 2 is 6. Good. How many sets do I have here? Good. 3 sets again. And how many cookies do I have in each? 3. So 3 times 3, or 3 sets of 3, is 9. Again, if you know these off the top of your head, it goes like that. Okay, that's why you're going to start in 3rd grade. You're going to start multiplication testing a lot. Okay, how many sets of chef's hats do I have? Good, I have 2 sets or 2 rows of chef hats. And how many chef hats are in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 rows of 4, or 2 times 4, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 rows of 4, or 2 times 4, is 8. Good. How many rows of aprons do I have? 3 rows, and let's count how many aprons are in one row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 3 rows of 5, or 3 times 5, is 15. Now let's double check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good, that works. Write a multiplication equation. Remember, an equation has to have an equal sign to show how many orders were sold. Okay, there's French toast. How many people bought French toast? But look at this right here. One little person equals 2 orders. So we're going to put 2 right here and 2 right here. And let's look at our people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 little people bought French toast, but each person equals 2 people. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Because 5 times 2 is 10. Okay. 2 little people. How many people? So 2 little people, and each one of those little people stands for 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 times 2 is 4. Awesome. If you need to take a second to copy that down, you can pause the video. Okay. Complete the sentence and solve. How many sets of kitchen utensils do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? I have 4 sets of kitchen utensils. Okay? You're going to do the same thing you did on the front, but just in the back. So remember, I'm going to do number 1 with you just to help you. How many kitchen utensils are in one set? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 times 5, or 4 sets of 5, and you're going to have to finish the multiplication equation, okay? I don't think you need to do the time for review today. I think you got addition pretty well. Moving on to multiplying with 2. Now, I'm going to give you some multiplication websites to play on. If you have your multiplication flashcards from when we were doing Math Facts, that would be great to get out right now. But right now we're just studying multiplying by 2, okay? So picture the equation and solve. So I have 4 sets of 2. 4 sets of 2. And if you need to take a second to copy that down, no problem. 4 sets of 2. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 times 2 is 8. If you know this off the top of your head, then it'll be like that, okay? 7 times 2. Let's draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And they each have 2 lines in them. Now, I'm gonna have you guys count all those lines, but 7 times 2 is 14. So let's double check. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Cool. Did you notice I counted by 2's there? That's one of the cool things you can do when you multiply by 2. You can just count up by 2's. So let's look at 9 times 2. Ooh, big number. Let's do this. Let's draw 2 sets of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 here and 9 here. What's 9 plus 9? 18. So 9 times 2 is 18. 2 times 2. I have 2 times 2 is 4. Good. Use doubles to solve. When 2 is a factor, the product is double the other factor. So what they mean by this is when 2 is a factor, the product is double the other factor. So the answer is going to be this guy plus itself. Okay? I know they worded that really weird, but whenever 2 is a factor in a multiplication equation, you take this and add it to itself, and that's it. So what's 6 plus 6? Well, we know that's 12, so 6 times 2 is 12. Good. Now let's look at number 6. If I have a 2 as a factor, I know that the other factor just gets added twice. So 8 plus 8. Well, I know that's 16. So 2 times 8 also equals 16. Okay, all right. I have a 2 as a factor, so this factor gets added twice. 5 plus 5 is 10. So 5 times 2 is also 10. Good. Solve. Write a sentence to answer the question. Chef Andre can fit 2 cookie sheets in his oven. He can put 10 cookies on each sheet. So let's draw these cookie sheets. Okay? He can put 10 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He can put 10 cookies on each sheet. How many cookies can he bake at one time? Okay, so I have 10 cookies here and 10 cookies here. And that would look like 10 times 2 or 10 plus 10. We know that 10 plus 10 is 20. So 10 times 2 is also 20. So how can we turn that into a sentence? How many cookies can he bake at a time? Okay, he can bake 20 cookies at a time. He can bake 20 cookies at a time. If you need to copy that sentence down or that picture, go ahead and pause the video. Otherwise, I'm going to move on to the back and just explain it, okay? All right, the top section asks you to skip count by 2's and write the missing numbers. This one, use doubles or skip count by 2's to solve. Remember, whenever there's a 2, they want you to take the other number and add it twice. Okay? That's all you have to do. For this one, they want you to write the related multiplication fact. Remember, 2 times 8 is the same as 8 times 2. That's all they're asking you to do. They're asking you to flip them, okay? And then it says Lyle has 4 bags of smooth stones. Each bag has 2 stones. How many smooth stones does Lyle have? So he has 4 bags and there's 2 stones in each, right? Okay, and you're going to draw a picture to go with that. I do want you to do the time for review today because I want you to review least to greatest. Okay, and remember, it says write the greatest and least numbers that use the given digits. Use each digit once. Okay, so the greatest number we could make is 753, right? Because we start with the biggest and then go down. But the least number would be 357 because we start with the smallest and go up. Okay? Good luck, my friends. I know you'll do great.